The chair for exactly 28 minutes and it was life-changing. So later that evening and the next day I've continued to have no issues. So I thought it's probably about 95% better. So today, 2 days later, because you've got to leave a day in between, so you've got to leave 48 hours between the treatments, I went back on it and I tell you, life is good and there is no problem. 100% gone.
Are you happy to share what has gone?
Yes, well, sorry, the problem was quite bad incontinence, which meant that I had to, where the pads were getting bigger and bigger and bigger over the last year, particularly, and I've lost weight, which probably does contribute to some of it, but it really is, I mean, it's a chair that's done it.